Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Vic Super account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.vicsuper.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page of Vic Super. From the main home page, go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner and select login to members online option. In the login area, you'll need to type in your member number or your username followed by your correct password. Type in any one credential between member number and username in the first text box and make sure that you are typing in your credential correct. If you don't remember your member number or username, click on this Find Member Number or Username link and follow the instructions. After typing in your first credential, head over to the next field and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions till the end. Finally, click on the login button after entering the correct username and password and you'll be able to access your Vic Super account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.